Hi guys, welcome to another market news and updates. I'm your host Omi. Welcome to OMI-MIZ YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be discussing क्या यहाँ से अब मार्केट ऊपर जाएगी या यहाँ से एकदम डम. देखते हैं इस वीडियो में what are the possibilities for Bitcoin for this week. Welcome back to the video guys. So as we can see the chart, clearly can see BTC had a very good upside. जिसमें हम लोगों ने यहाँ पर एक की डंप किया और डंप करने के बाद हम लोग for past several hours अब देख रहे हैं even a day now कि एक मार्केट में अच्छी सी अपसाइड आ गई है. The areas for me that I really wanted to see and watch them carefully were 42,800 approximately, क्योंकि ये एक ऐसा जोन है अगर ये ब्रेक होना शुरू हो जाएगा तो we can expect कि यार चलो the bottom is in, now we're gonna go for a further upside or a lower high, क्योंकि हम head and shoulders भी बना रहे हैं. There's so many things happening right now when it comes to BTC and ETH. We really have to see what exactly the market is going to do on the daily basis as well. सिर्फ ये सोच के कि what we think when the rally is gonna start is gonna be very decisive, कैसा फैसला करके बंदा start कर दे rally. So if we get into ETH as well and see ETH में भी क्या चल रहा है तो we can see clearly कि ETH भी has had a good momentum, has had a good upside. और अभी हम लोग 4 hour में देखें तो for the past 2 days already हम एक uptrend बना के अब ऊपर आना शुरू हो गए. सारे जो हमारे फॉलिंग चैनल्स होते हैं वो सारे बुलिश चैनल्स बन जाते हैं एंड जितने भी हमारे राइजिंग चैनल्स होते हैं दे ऑलवेज एंड अप बीइंग आवर बेयरिश चैनल्स. तो इसलिए वी रियली हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल. दिस इज अ क्लियर राइजिंग चैनल हियर गोइंग ऑन. मार्केट ऊपर जा रही है सो वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट समथिंग लाइक दैट टू कम. सो आई विल स्टिल वेट फॉर माई सेल्फ. मैं वेट करूंगा जब तक मुझे एक क्लियर आइडिया ना मिले कि मार्केट में बाकी जो है ना एक अपसाइड आ रही है. उसके लिए मैं बहुत सारी चीजें यूज करूंगा. आई विल ऑल्सो लुक एट वॉल्यूम, सेंटीमेंट्स, खबरों में क्या चल रहा है. And all this as a summed up together is going to really guide me and tell me where the markets are possibly going to go. So if we jump down and see below as well, तो market में अच्छा सा pump आया. FTM is already up about 6-7%. AR is back up to good levels. AR is one of my favorite coins, so I really like AR. If we look at FTM, तो FTM is already about 7%. तो बहुत अच्छा pump ले लिया FTM ने, and FTM is looking very good. AVAX up, Solana's back up. So not massive pumps, but at least the market is recovering very fast. We need the altcoins to be recovering very fast. The reason why I'm really concerned that jab we go into the fourth relationship cycle of Bitcoin's dominance, so we're definitely going to be seeing altcoins coming down, especially others' dominance. So how is BTC and the alts going to relate to it and to each other? Is going to be very interesting to see, क्योंकि हमने अपनी तारीख में आज तक नहीं देखा है कि BTC 40 के ऊपर आके बैठ गया और ETH 20% मार्केट को कंट्रोल करो. At some point इनकी जो percentages हैं that's gonna take a turn. We want BTC to come back to 45-50% because it's the king of the market. It's a store of value, as we also know. We've heard in the news by JP Morgan that about 20% of today's store of gold value is already in Bitcoin of the whole world. So 20% जितनी भी value है ना दुनिया की वो already Bitcoin के अंदर store होना शुरू हो गई है. And this has been done by JP Morgan, which is one of the biggest financial companies. तो हम इसके ऊपर rely भी कर सकते हैं. And this already shows us कि कहीं ना कहीं अभी अब जो है ना we're gonna see Bitcoin's dominance trying to make some moves very soon. Overall अगर हम लोग chart को देखें, market is very sideways, very boring, not much action and nothing really happening either. अगर हम लोग जाएं अपने ग्रीड एंड फियर इंडेक्स के ऊपर टुडे एंड चेक आउट व्हाट इज हैपनिंग फॉर अस. वी आर बैक एट 22 और कल भी हम लोग इसके आसपास ही घूम रहे थे. वी वर जस्ट एट 21, देन 22, 23, 24, 25, 20s में ही घूम रहे हैं. ऐसे ना कोई अपसाइड आ रही है ना कोई डाउन साइड आ रही है. मार्केट इज वेरी फेयरफुल बिकॉज एवरी टाइम वी रिमेन क्लोज टू द बॉटम्स. सबको यही डर लगा रहता है यार अभी और नीचे तो नहीं जा रहे, अब और नीचे तो नहीं जा रहे. सो दिस इज अ वेरी बिग कंसर्न फॉर एवरीबॉडी बिकॉज एवरीबॉडी वांट्स कि यार और मार्केट नीचे ना जाए.
दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे.
अगर हम लोग कॉइन मार्केट कैप में क्विकली चले तो हम लोग देख सकते हैं क्लियरली दैट वी हैव अबाउट 40.1 बिटकॉइन की डोमिनेंस. ETH की डोमिनेंस देखें तो इट्स अबाउट 19.2. अगर हम मार्केट की अपसाइड देखें तो वेरी नाइस अबाउट 3%, 2.5% अपसाइड केम yesterday. We're back into 2 trillion market cap, which is very important. If you still remember, we dumped from $10 trillion and after $10 trillion we could not even go close to it, and it's good to see that from 1.9 trillion we have already bounced and we are back into 2 trillion. If I go and press the 24 hours and check out who's the winner, we got Oasis Network, Phantom about 17%, Net Protocol, Harmony One, Kusama, Ravencoin, Secret, LPT, Gala, KDN, Polygon, Matic, Bora Bora, The Sandbox, Mina, HBAR, Arweave, Waves, Thorchain. Mainly all the coins that we always promote here on my channel are the ones that are really progressing. We have layer 1s, layer 2s, some token based coins as well. Let's jump into the ones that see कि यार ये तो कुछ भी नहीं कर सके. So in that we have Dash is down about 7%, Chainlink is down another 6%, ICP is down 4%. उसके बाद हम देखें तो mainly they are all mostly stable coins. So not much action going on here in the market. As we see, market has been bumping in the last 24 hours. इसका मतलब ये भी हो सकता है कि एक दिन हम bump करें, एक दिन हम dump करें. So we have to be very careful and be very watchful about that as well. खबरों में चलते हैं. Straight jump into news and see what is happening and what are the news that are offered to us today. So Iran to allow crypto payments for international trade. Iran is reportedly looking to unlock opportunities for importers and exporters to use crypto in international deals. This is very important for Iran because Iran has massive embargoes on it and restrictions done by the United States. जिधर ईरान बहुत सारी चीजें import और export नहीं कर सकता. It has a lot of issues. जो वहाँ के लोग हैं वो लोग वैसे ही दुबई में बैठकर usually अपनी कंपनीज को चला रहे होते हैं because that gives them a help to reach out to international audience and also manage their financial issues. Up if they're going to be getting in that crypto regulations and a lot of ease for them to do this business, I think this is definitely going to help Iran build their economy. Iran is already allowed its citizens to mine with electricity, though there was issues in winter and summer season. There were electricity cutouts and people were pissed off, but overall if we look at it, the country is not totally against it, nor the country is with it. It's trying to adopt itself, trying to make place for itself within its country. So this is a very good sign. I'm very happy for our region as well. After India, we have another big player right now, Iran, that is accepted it and is now trying to promote it. Hopefully we have similar experiences coming into our country as well, but let's see. Hopefully we never know what's going to be coming next. The last news we have today for us is Bitcoin price surges to 43k, which we've already seen clearly. We're about 42,800, so about $200 away, but traders warn that real pain is due for altcoins. Like I just discussed, others' dominance is very high. This is a high chance when we're going to shift into BTC's dominance cycle, we're going to be experiencing a decrease coming into Bitcoin price and also into altcoin prices when BTC's dominance decides to go higher. It's not possible that BTC बस नीचे आके बैठे रहेगा and will only control 40% of the market. Obviously it's BTC, so it's going to show itself very soon. Even with the abrupt surge to 42.3k, traders warn that Bitcoin and altcoins are still in for a real pain if the current macro perspective remains the same. I second this and I really agree with the guy as well. Overall, we are facing support right now, which has to hold to avoid any market breakdowns. Like we saw in my chart as well, we're bouncing from the support, facing some resistance. If we do break out, looks very good. If we don't, we're gonna break down. As we know, all rising channels end up bearing bearish channels, and we always fall from them. The real pain is yet to come. So overall, if we look at the market looks very bearish still, especially when we go and zoom into smaller time frames. We can clearly see in smaller time frames that the market is not really ready yet to have a blast off kind of a situation, because if we go into and see the momentum here in our momentum squeeze and also open our VPR and look at RSI divergences, we can see RSI divergence clearly shows that the market is an uptrend. It looks like it might be coming down, volume is coming back in the market, but until or unless we don't have as big volume bars as here while we have had shorts, so it's very hard to say that the market has recovered. Because that's the baat, if somebody has sold something of certain value, you want that certain value to become back, right? Until in order to have that sort of a value for that coin. So abhi ke liye we really have to watch and be very careful. If I look at altcoins, I'm kind of scared with the altcoins. I'm not taking any trades right now. I'm just monitoring and watching the market. I'll suggest you to do that too until hum logo ko kuch idea ho jaye. Main thing I'm really looking out for is on 18th. It's gonna be the moon at the bottom. Or bottom moons we always know are very bullish signs. So I'm expecting कि अभी जो sideways movement चल रही है, market is very boring. It's gonna be until 18th and we're very close to 18. So we are very close to seeing a massive upside coming into the market. We never know. We gotta be prepared for it. So for me, the zones to watch out at the bottom will be 39,600 and above 43,500 to 44,500 on an upside. If all or any of these zones, zone A, zone B, is broken, I would be really concerned and I would want to know which trade I want to take, whether I'm going to be shorting the market or whether I'm going to be taking some nice longs, hopefully. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you do, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if there's something you want to share, your thoughts, please share in the comment section. And if you want to reach out to me, you can always reach out to me on Twitter and Instagram. Take care, guys. Be careful while you're trading. Market is very volatile. Don't lose money. And sometimes no trade is also a trade. So take care, guys. Bye bye.